Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to create this logo animation for when the app launches. As you can see, the animation happens only the first time the app launches. Now you can see it one more time. So let's get started. For this tutorial, we're going to use a Lottie animation. If you don't already have the animation of your logo, you can go to this page. I will link it down below, and you can choose a video file of your logo. Here you can add the frames that you want in your Lottie. And then we get this file which contains the code for the Lottie. We can Ctrl-Alt, Ctrl-C, we can copy it. But now we need to go on the component market and search for Lottie. This is the component we will use. I have already installed this component and insert it by dragging. Next, we can go on to changing the source type to JSON because we have copied the JSON code, and here we need to paste the code. We need autoplay. We don't want the loop function to be true. Next, we will need one app variable which we can call first time. This variable will let us know that the app has just launched. We need to set the initial value to true, and we will need also one page variable. We can call this Lottie visibility. That should also be true false, and we can start with true. Now we need to click on the page layout. We're going to create our own logic for the Lottie. We can start by adding an if condition. In this condition, we will use the first time visibility variable. We can go on to bind it to the app variable. We use an app variable because we will be able to set it once when the animation finishes, and then for as long the app is used, the app variable will stay the same. Now if we close the app and then reopen it, then the app variable will automatically be set to the initial value, which is true. So next we need a delay function. We need to set this delay for the duration of the Lottie animation, which is approximately 2.8 seconds. After that, we want to create the animation for the component. For the animation to work, we need to have the Lottie component in a container. So let's do that now. So we will choose the animation to happen on the container. And we want the animation to be fade out. After that, we can set the duration of the animation to 800 milliseconds. And then we will need one more delay to compensate for the animation time. Next, we want to set the page variable and the app variable. We want to set the Lottie visibility to false and the app variable to false. Now the only thing left is to bind the visibilities to the components. So we can do that now. This is for the Lottie visibility. And this one's for the container. Okay, as you can see, I have already bind it. The exclamation mark shows that we want the opposite of this value. And that's it. We can now save it and test it on our device. As you can see, this is exactly what we wanted. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like and subscribe for more.